Hello students. In this video lecture we can see one topic from the fourth unit for the subject cybersecurity, and the topic is intrusion detection exchange format. The objectives of studying this topic is to understand the need of intrusion detection exchange format and to analyze the components used in intrusion detection message exchange format. IDMEF, intrusion detection message exchange format, is a data format used to exchange the information between the intrusion detection components, intrusion detection system, and the associated administrators and the system workers. It is the format used to exchange data and information between the software enabling the intrusion detection, intrusion prevention, security information collection and management systems that may need to interact with them. They are designed to be processed automatically. So wherever the intrusion detection system is used, their related informations will be shared, will be communicated to the corresponding person's administrator or the controlling system with the help of this particular message exchange format. Systems that may connect with management systems and interchange format systems. In 2007, the working group released the following RFC. RFC 4765. This is the main intrusion detection message exchange, the standard for the message exchange format. This document outlines the logic behind selecting a certain data model to represent the information exported by intrusion detection system, and XML, extensible markup language implementation of the data models offered together with an XML document type definition and samples. So in this format, XML data model have been used. So the intrusion detection exchange protocol, IDXP, it is an application level protocol for the data exchange between intrusion detection entities over a connection oriented protocol. IDXP offers mutual authentication, integrity and confidentiality. The major components of the model that forms the basis of the intrusion detection message exchange format is shown in the figure. And these standards are required to promote interoperability, which will make it easier to create distributed IDs. So this particular message format is used to perform the communication in between the IDS in the distributed IDS environment. In distributed IDS environment, in a system or an organization, several IDS will be interconnected and they will exchange their message informations. So this particular message format will be used by the IDS and along with the administrator to communicate their control informations. The essential aspect of any IDS are its functional components, which are independent of any specific product or implementation. So this is the actual scenario of the communications takes place in between the administrator, manager and the operator. This is a common structure of IDS, where sensors are used to sense the data flow and the data and the communication flow coming in between the administrator and the normal users. So whenever an intrusion activity occurs, the sensor will sense it and the analyzer will identify the intrusion activity, and it will give the alert about the intrusion to the manager. Manager will follow the security policies generated by the administrator, and the manager will take the necessary actions for the intrusion. The manager will give the notification to the operator. Operator is again, he is responsible for taking the necessary actions against the intrusions, and the operator will give the response for the notification given by the manager. So all these message communication will be takes place with the help of this message intrusion detection message exchange format. Data source, we know about the data source, the unprocessed information that an IDS uses to look for suspicious or unauthorized behavior. The data source may be the network packets, operating system audit logs, application audit logs, and system generated checksum data are examples of some of the common data sources. Sensor gathers the information from a data source. Events are forwarded to the analyzer by the sensor. Analyzer, this is the part of intrusion detection system that examines the sensor data for any indications of unauthorized or undesirable behavior, as well as for any occurrence that would be of interest to the security administrator. The sensor and the analyzer are often included in the same component in existing IDS administrator. He is the person in charge of making choices regarding the ID's deployment and configuration, as well as the organization's overall security policy. The operator of the IDS may or may not be the individual. The network or systems administration group may be connected to the administrator in some companies. It is an independent role in other organizations. Manager. The IDE process, intrusion detection process or component from which the operator oversees the different ID system components. Sensor configuration, analyzer configuration, event notification management, data consolidation, and reporting are some examples of management functions. The manager will perform all these kind of management functions. Operator, the person who uses the ID's manager on a daily basis. The operator frequently keeps an eye on the IDS output and suggests or starts new action. So these are the components working behind the intrusion detection system, and these components will communicate their information in this particular intrusion detection message exchange format. That's all about the topic. Thank you.